Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to restart and reset taskbar in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. If your taskbar is not working, if your start button is not working, search bar is not working, or entire taskbar is not working, then you can go to the restart or reset taskbar. That is very simple. Just go to your keyboard and just press Ctrl or Delete key on your keyboard, and here we find Task Manager. Just click on the Task Manager. Okay. In Task Manager, just find Windows Explorer. Just find Windows Explorer at this point. Just find Windows Explorer. Right click on the Windows Explorer. Here we find Restart. Just click on the Restart. It's restart your all services, including taskbar. Okay. Now our taskbar is restart. Now we can check our start bar is working, start is working, taskbar is working or not. A search bar is working or not. Just check it. If this is not work for you, then another way is just go to your keyboard and just type Windows and R key. Just type Windows and R key. Then just type this command. Just execute this command. Just type this command. I give this command in the description and just click on the OK and just go to the restart your machine. Just go to the here and your start bar or your taskbar is now working. So guys, this is the simplest way to restart and reset taskbar in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.